You guys check out Apple's new car seat. We just put it together. This around the strap on this part. And she likes it. I think she likes it.
Here, I'll place it in the mouth.
Good, that means
Okay, guys. So this is Apple's car seat inside the car. It's just buckled back there. She just was being a whole wow lady. Now she's trying to be calm. Just leave her alone. So I think this might be good for Apple because every time we go on a ride, she just want to jump all over the car. So this is perfect right here.
You want to stick your head out the window?
So she likes her new car seat, looks like. Let me see your
I don't
face.
like your fingers
Apple.
touching me.
Apple.
I'm not Apple.
I never said you were Apple.